Hi guys, this is Matthew again, and this is our third strategy for today, 2nd of May 2023, and here we are going to be trading rise and fall, this strategy you have to be very careful. If you're using this strategy, you have to be very careful. Actually, we're going to be losing some trades, but there's a trick. You can see the tricks right here. You can see what we made right here. We're going to be losing some trades, mostly in our first trades and maybe the third trade, but the second trade there's 80% chances that we're going to win the trade, so we're going to recover the loss on the first trade and the third trade if you want to continue using the strategy as well. And before we proceed, just to let you guys know that the TOUCHSCALPER bot version 7.0 is out today, 2nd of May 2023, and we have already sent this version to all those who have previously purchased the bot at no extra cost. Check your emails. This version has been programmed in compliance with the deriv interface, and as you all know, binary.com has been completely phased out. It's now history, so all our strategies henceforth and the updates on our bots will now be focused on deriv. So make sure you read the instructions. You can only use all the bots now on deriv, no more binary.com. So here is the version of this bot, the 7.0, and for those who haven't purchased this bot, all you have to do is to visit www.touchscalper.ctystechnologies.com.ng to order the bot. It's just $9.99 USD, and you can make payment using so many payment options: debit card, bank transfer, cryptocurrencies, web money, perfect money, Theta, Ethereum, so many payment options on the other page. And this is the other page right here, and the PIPSREAPER bot as well. This is the PIPSREAPER bot. For those who haven't purchased the bot, visit binary PIPSREAPER.ctystechnologies.com.ng. and don't forget, this is the link to order the PIPSREAPER bot, binary PIPSREAPER.ctystechnologies.com.ng. And don't forget that all our bots now comes with the free synthetic trading ebook, and also free binary options trading bot as well. And you also get a free forex trading ebook and a free forex trading bot programmed by me. Don't forget to subscribe to all our channels. To get more updates on our latest strategies. So here are the links again. We're going to paste this link in the video description on YouTube. This is the link to order the PIPSREAPER bot, and this is the link to order the TOUCHSCALPER bot. Here is the link to sign up for a free trading account for those who don't have a trading account, and here is the link to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and this is the second channel, and this is the third channel. And here is a link to sign up for a free broker account for the Forex trading platform, and here is the link to download the ebook for the Forex trading. You get the free bots link download in the ebook, and here is the link to download the synthetic indices ebook. So the link to download the 4 free binary options bots is also included in the synthetic indices ebook. So here is the link to read written tutorials. That's the forum, our forum. You can join and read the tutorials. So let's get back to the trading. So we've logged in. We are using the D trader, and we are in dark mode, so you can change the dim settings right here. So once you log in, you go to Volatility 25 index, and you choose that. Then you go to the trade type, you go to rise and fall. You're going to be setting the ticks to 7 right here. You're going to be setting the ticks to 7 right here. Actually, we are going to be trading on the rise. So like I stated earlier, our first trade will be lost, so you're going to set low amount right here, 2. So you're going to watch this thing dropping down. Once this thing is dropping down, you're going to click on rise. Then you have to change. So it has dropped down, so I click on rise there. Then you have to change this to 20 immediately. Change this to 20. So once this trade, there's possibility that you are going to lose this trade. So before the trade ends, we are going to place another trade. So this is the trade here. This is the trade right here. So we lost that trade there, we lost that trade. So we're going to change this to 43. Then it's still down, we're going to place another trade again. We lost 2 trades, that's 22, that's 22, right? That's 22. So let's just wait for the outcome of this one. So you can see what we did right here. You can see what we did right here. See what we did right here. So we lost 22, but we made $83. So we only lost 22. So we made like 60 something dollars right here. So like I stated earlier, you are going to start with low amounts. So if you lose the first trade before the trade ends, you are going to increase your stake and place a trade again. So if you lose the second trade, increase your trade to huge amount and place a trade again. So you are going to recover all the losses you made in the first 2 trades. So let's use this strategy again. Let's start with 2 again. And before you place the trade, remember it has to be dropping down. It has to be dropping down. So it has to be dropping down before you place the trade. So you can see we made $80 here, so we only lost $22. The first loss was 2, the second was 20. So it's dropping down again. So I click on the rise. Then I'm going to quickly change this to 12, right? So before the trade ends, we're going to place another trade again. And when you place in another trade, okay, so we even want this one. We want this one. So I want us to lose 1 trade. So let's wait for it to drop down again. Let me change it back to 2. So this thing has to drop down before you place the trade. See, it's pushing right up. So it goes down there. So I'm going to change this to 12 right now. I'm going to change it to 12. Okay, we want that trade again. We want that trade. So let's wait again for it to go right down. If it's going right, I'm going to change this back to 2. So it has gone down. So I'm going to quickly change this to 12 again. So once you know you lose the trade, then you okay, we want that trade again. We want that trade again. I just want us to lose 1 trade so that we can apply this strategy again. So it's dropping down again. I changed it to 2. Then I'm going to change it to 12. Okay, we want that trade. We want that trade. Let me change this to 3. Okay, it has dropped down. I'm going to change this to 12 again. So if it's pushing right down and okay, we want that trade again. I just want us to lose 1 trade so that we can apply that first strategy. So normally if it's dropping right down, you can always go on with the trade, and if you keep winning, you can always go on. But the moment you lose 1 trade, change the stake, and when it's dropping right down, you quickly place another trade before the first trade ends. Okay, so I've changed the stake. So now it seems we are going to lose this trade because it has dropped down. Okay, we lost that trade. So I placed another trade there again. Then I'm going to change this to 24 or 15. Okay, we want this trade. We want this trade. We want this trade. So just apply this strategy. Once you lose a trade, before the trade ends, once you see that it's dropping down, quickly place another trade. Change your stake and quickly place another trade. You know, we made a lot of money in this trading section, but just follow the first step in the first trade we place right there. So once you lose 1 trade before the trade ends, and make sure you always increase your ticks number so that before the trade ends, you will have known that you will lose the trade because it's going to be dropping down. So before the trade end, quickly change this your stake and place another trade again. You're going to recover the loss. Then make sure that you, once you lose a trade, you enter the low amount. Once you lose the first trade, you enter a low amount. Okay, so that's it guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.